yeah. Tell me I just closed my shit. Yo, I need to wash it, big bro.
I know, big bro.
Yo, I can watch this shit in 3 months. If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. And in today's video, we got a little light POV. I'm just picking up the camera and fucking recording. It's on my new channel, man. So make sure that y'all subscribe to the new channel on my main channel. We almost at 90K, so just keep on subscribing to your boy. I got on the wheels today. So don't be talking about my damn light on my dash. Hey, I was probably the only YouTuber without a light on this damn cat before I put on these damn wheels. But y'all know everybody got on their damn engine light. This is just a damn TPMS sensor, so it ain't that bad. Got my boy in his Charlie, Venom Jr. But nah, though, we leaving this damn video shoot that we just did. My boy Sean had left early. Auto Craze. This my boy SRT Gmo. Y'all wanna see that joint? I think it's finna rain. I gotta get my ass back. Hard Rock Casino. We in Gary right now. Just left this little video shoot. Y'all know your boy Davo had a little mini booking. Nothing too crazy. Bye. Hey, I don't know if I'm gonna post it to my main channel or my new channel. I don't know, man. Just hit that fucking subscribe button, shorty. That's all I'm gonna say. I just don't know how this video gonna be. I just picked up this camera. This is so random, man. This gotta be one of the most random POVs of all time. What the fuck? Look. Where am I going? My fault, y'all. I just had to answer this damn call. Somebody just called me talking about some y'all ass flying down bird. Gotta make sure we regulate the speed. Y'all know we ain't in Illinois, man. We in fucking Indiana. Look at folks. He finna fly by. He's gonna let him fly by. Damn, what the fuck is he doing? His ass is back there eating fucking lima beans. Playing in his ass. Eating fucking gummy worms. 12. I told y'all they be fucking thirsty. What I tell y'all? I just got done telling y'all. Farewell, my black brother. Just had to go pick up this little back end gang. Hey, these whales stinking crazy. But yeah, though, man, I just had to go pick up this little motherfucker back end. It's just a little quick video. A little mini highway drive for y'all boys. This motherfucker still screaming. I'm finna pull in her. Nah, it's another one, I think. It's another little gas station up here, so I'm finna pull in this gas station, get a fucking thumbnail on bro grade. But yeah, though, man, my birthday was yesterday, so make sure that y'all drop down below, man. Happy birthday, Davo! I could never get over that sound. And I'm barely even hitting it. Like, y'all want me to really hit this mid? That's me really stumping on this mid. Downshift. Y'all won't want to know. Alright, y'all, so the thumbnail is complete, gang. This joint looks so crazy with these wheels. Y'all see all this damn baby oil? This Diddy baby oil? Left a video shoot, and I literally just claimed this joint. The fuck she hunking for? Got something for her, folk. Watch this. Nah, I ain't even go. Bro, I got other shit to do, so. Oh.
And I'm on parole, but I'll never go without it. Look, never hit on my head down on 10 toes. Took my time showing these diamonds, I know they lying.
Hey, I ain't even do nothing. This joint is down crazy. Hold up, folks. I'm tripping. I'm playing Lucci, folks. Like, niggas can't get copyrighted. But, man, this joint sounds so crazy. This motherfucker screaming. Stop sign. Hey, y'all know Davo.
You are gay.
Y'all know Davo stop at stop line. Stop signs. Hey, y'all know we on a residential street, so I ain't go clap this, man. And plus, I got my fucking pipe on me. I'm really not even supposed to be doing this shit right now. Got my motherfucking sticker on me, so really we finna calm down, and I'm finna change my fucking headlights to white. I know this nigga heard me coming through this bitch too. I know he heard me, folk. Bow! Oh, they searching that, man. Oh, that's Calumet City. They searching that bed. Ooh, and I know that nigga heard this bitch coming down. So you have to hear this motherfucker screaming. You don't got no choice but to hear this bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go, man. Finna go get this goof ass nigga thinking he cool. Damn, is it another police up here? Yeah, they hot. Hot tamale. Damn. The fuck they got in that car? Fucking switch? They must got a switch in that back.